So you are new to YouTube and you want to create that amazing click to action element to put on your videos and you don't know how to do it. So if that's the case, you are in the right place, because today I'm going to teach you how to create that amazing click to action. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve in the edit page, and I already have here what I'm going to teach you to do. So as you can see, it's a simple composition and the final result is very good. So let's start create this. I already create here a timeline, an empty timeline. So let's start by adding our elements. So we need some PNG files that I already have here, but it's easy. You look on the web and you will find them very easy. And you can use your own, of course. So I'm gonna use this hand white and the same in gray. So let me resize this. I know 0.160, and I'm gonna put it aside like over here. Okay, let's copy this value. Let's come to this one here and this one. I'm gonna put it 0.160. So now I have both in the same place. Now I'm gonna need a rectangle for the background of the subscribe. You can do it yourself. I'm gonna use here the generator that it's an essential shapes. I'm gonna put it somewhere around here. Let me move all of this a few frames forward. Now I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna give 12 frames. It's half a second. One. Okay, now this will appear. First thing, I'm gonna remove the border. Now here to the controls, let me give a little like this and a little more. I'm gonna round the corners like this, and I'm gonna change the color to somewhere around this red, and it's done. Now I'm gonna add a text. For that I'm gonna use the text plus. It's more than enough. Now let's type subscribe. Then you can change the font, put it as you like. And I'm gonna reduce this a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the bell. So I'm gonna add this bell over here. Let me half a second later, so 12 frames. It's done. Let's put it over here. So let's resize also the bell. It's too small, a little bit like this, and let's move it around here. Let me go to here, 1416, do the same here. Let me go, it's a little too big. This one, I wanna slide it and something like this, so it's okay. Now, a second later, I'm gonna change the bell to this one. So this one is 0.180, and copy this value for the place, and it's done. Now I think it's too early. Let's give a like this. So here now it's gonna appear the hand that I want to click. So this is the hand, and here I'm gonna resize it also like this, and I'm gonna give it an angle. I'm gonna give it a keyframe to the place, and I'm gonna put it out of frame somewhere around here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames later, I'm gonna add another keyframe, and I'm gonna put it on top of the like. Now let's give it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 frames, half a second later, give another keyframe, and this time I'm gonna above the subscribe. And now another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12 frames later, another keyframe. Let's put this over here. And now let's go here and put it on top of the bell. And now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 seconds later, give it another 12 frames later, not seconds, and put it over here and out of frame. So now we can come, let's see, over here, and over here it's where the subscribe will change. And now if we come over here, that's where the like will change. Now let's copy the subscribe, Alt or Option, and drag it over. Now change here the color from red to gray, something like this. Let's put it over. And the subscribe to subscribe. And let's go to the last here. It's where the, so now from here to here, and from here it will disappear. So now 1, 2, 3. Now the hand can be like this. This will disappear here. This, now we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames more. And put this over here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames more. And let's, so the graphical part, it's done. So 1 click, 2, 3 click. So it's very fast, but you can adjust it like the way you want it, bigger or smaller. Now let's add some sound effects. So over here where the bell rings, let's put the bell ring somewhere around here. Let me reduce this somewhere around here. And now over here, I'm gonna add the click. And let me resize it and put it over here. And here, the other click. So let's copy it and put it over here. And now if we play it, and it's done. Now it's very easy. You just export this as a video, and then you can use it in your videos. And I'm going to show you how. It's very easy. Just put, you have your video, and let's come here. And I already have the file over here that I created. And let me remove the audio from this. And if I play it, you notice that everything is black. You don't see anything. It's very easy. You come here to the OpenFX overlay and look for 3D gear. Put it on your clip. Select the clip. Come here to the FX. Change this to OpenFX overlay. Select this tool and draw a line. And immediately the black will disappear. Then you can come here to the dispill if you have any spill around here. And now if I play it, you notice that you can see it. So as you could see, it's easy to create that click to action element and use it in future videos. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope this information was helpful. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until then, bye!